On a personal note for you, you've been UEFA headquarters in Switzerland last week. How's that been?
Yeah, well, I'm studying for my pro licence at the moment. So myself and 3 of the Welsh Premier League managers were out there for 4 or 5 days last week, and it was thoroughly enjoyable. Learned a lot, and of course that's important, isn't it? That that everyone keeps learning. I mean, the minute that you think that you stop learning and know it all is the minute that you go backwards. So it's important to challenge ourselves, and that was something I did last week and thoroughly enjoyed it. I'm thoroughly enjoying the course as well.
I've seen your coach, you've got Tim Sherwood, Patrick A.F.C. Campbell, you presented with Vieira. How was that?
Yeah, it's a great experience for myself. Obviously it's a great experience, it's great that they're on the Welsh courses. I think it demonstrates how important the Welsh courses and how well the Welsh courses are seen globally now. And it's great for myself as a Welsh coach to learn off these great people, as you say, that have done a lot within the game. So it's great for me to pick up little nuggets of information off them in a formal and informal way on and off the course. So it's great, and as I say, if I can learn a little bit off them, it'll put me in good stead.
Do you have much more to do in the course? Or
yeah, well, I think, that we keep going back in May. I think the course finishes September time, so I've got a little bit of work to do before then, so I'm going to make sure I get that in, and hopefully I'll be able to do that.